Welcome everyone. Today we're here at the Millennium Sound Showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Sonos Era 300. So on the sides here, you got to click the unlock button on both sides. So this speaker comes in white or black. On the outside, you'll have a white or black underline that tells you which one it is. First thing, we're gonna take this out. Underneath here, you're gonna have your basic setup guide and then your power cord. Power cord always matches the color of the Sonos piece. So as you'll know, on this new Sonos Era 300, it's a little different shaped than what the old speakers are, so it's got a little bit more contour, which is really cool. So what you're seeing right now is the back. So you have your power cord, your microphone, and then a USB-C input. And then you also have your Bluetooth button. If you flip and see the side, you can see that it's kind of curved in for some pretty unique contour. And then here's the front. On the top of your new Sonos Era 300, this bar right here in the middle is actually a slider bar for your volume. Really cool, neat feature. And then you have your track forward, track backwards, and then your play pause button. And then on the back, you also have your voice button. So if you want to turn that off, you can turn the voice off or on. If you look at the graphic above me, you'll see that this small speaker has 6 amplifiers, 4 tweeters, and 2 woofers packed inside. One of the cool features too is it also has Dolby Atmos music, which is a new feature. Sounds really good. We tested this speaker. It also has really good high frequencies as well as low frequencies. The one thing we did notice is that if you do set the back up against a wall, you do get a ton more bass response than if it's out from the wall. These speakers can be used for front speakers, individual speakers, or you can use them for your rear surrounds with like a Sonos Arc or a Sonos sound. Some of the features of the Era 300 are Dolby Atmos for music and surround, Apple Airplay 2, it's voice enabled, Bluetooth enabled, Truplay, and has touch controls. For everyone watching that's not in Indiana, it's humidity resistant. You should come by and check out the new Sonos Era 300, take a listen. The speaker looks amazing, sounds amazing. You can check this out at our Fort Wayne location or our Indianapolis location on 82nd Street. Keep in mind, we will be moving to our state-of-the-art showroom at Motor District May 1st. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and exciting videos. And for Jack, please subscribe to our channel. But for real, subscribe to the channel.